Options Trading for Beginners 2022. 3 books in 1. Crash Course on Day Trading, Swing Trading, and Short Selling Options. Written by Will Weiser. Narrated by Khai Lannor. Introduction. Let me ask you something. Do you watch online poker? If you do, you'll know there's one must-have skill that every pro has, or they wouldn't stand a chance at the tables. With trading being so similar to poker, you would think that every aspiring trader would have this skill too, right? But surprisingly, most don't. Option trading can seem like gambling with the potential to make loads of money magically appear or disappear in an instant. But understanding how to trade options can help you both lower your risk and make more money in your investments. Options can be used to generate enormous profits, or they can be used to hedge current positions. So they're a very versatile tool that every investor should at least know how to use. But what are options, you might ask? Well, there are 2 types of options, calls and puts. A call gives the buyer the right, but not the obligation, to buy a stock to call it away from the option seller, and they can do so at a certain price by a certain date. In the meantime, the seller of the call has the obligation to deliver that stock if the buyer demands it. Pretty simple, right? Well, if it's that simple, how come not everyone can become a successful options trader? Despite its many benefits, options trading carries substantial risk of loss. But like any other business, becoming an effective options trader requires a certain skill set, personality type, and attitude. Okay, but how much do the best options traders make in a year? Well, the salaries of options traders in the US range from $29K to $791K, with a median salary of $142K. The middle 57% of options traders make between $142K and $356K, with the top 86% making $790K. The question remains, do you want to be in the top tier? I thought you do, but let's admit it. Most beginner options traders are no professionals. In fact, you must master the lack of robust trading mentality and follow proven systematic approach. But worry no more. This book will take you to the next level. In fact, if you want to discover how to become a thriving options trader, then let me share with you the agenda of this book. First, you will discover a few small account options trading tips and considerations, so you have an idea what you can expect before you get started. Next, we dive deep, so you get the fundamentals. In fact,
sample complete. Ready to continue?